So delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a melon pineapple smoothie. Yeah, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for always commenting. Okay, so remember to follow me on all social at Andy. Okay, so let's dive right into this video. So I have in this bowl some pineapple cut off, no, some melon cut off with strawberry, and I have pineapple, pieces of pineapple cut off. I have my yogurt, and I will be using some cranberry juice to make this smoothie. Okay, so let's add the foods to the blender. Banana, using this here. It's mixed berry. Just gonna add half glass of juice because the melon is already watery, so I just want this to be there. How it goes. Now, look at this. See, the melon make it watery, and I just use a small amount of liquid. There you have it, guys. All done. Beautiful color. No sugar, no sweetener, but it is sweet. Yes, so go ahead and check out this melon pineapple smoothie. So go ahead and check this out, guys. Remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Until my next video, bye.